Red flag warning in effect from noon today to 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for Litchfield and Berkshire counties. Affected area: Fire Weather Zone 001 Northern Litchfield, Fire Weather Zone 001 Northern Berkshire, Fire Weather Zone 013 Southern Litchfield, and Fire Weather Zone 025 Southern Berkshire. Timing: noon to 8 p.m. Winds: northwest 15 to 25 miles per hour with gusts up to 40 miles per hour. Relative humidity as low as 28%. Temperatures in the mid and upper 40s. Lightning: none. Impacts: any fires that develop will likely spread rapidly. Outdoor burning is not recommended. A red flag warning means that critical fire weather conditions are either occurring now or will shortly. A combination of strong winds, low relative humidity, and warm temperatures can contribute to extreme fire behavior.